What's going on, guys? We're back at it again on the river with my buddy Hill. Hill, what you say, man? You think we're gonna tear him up today?
Let's hope, man.
I'm hoping so. I'm hoping we get on some. We're after giants. We're searching for a 20 for him. He hasn't caught one yet. Neither have I on the Flint. But today could be the day. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get these yaks in the water. We'll catch y'all here in a little bit. What's going on, guys? We are throwing the mag draft today. We're out here on the shoals. Hopefully we can get on a big. Hill's behind me. He's going up down there towards that fall. And hopefully one of us can hook into a giant. But most of the day I'm gonna be trying to throw this. So we'll see what happens. Little guy. Little shoaly. There's one. Not really. But this fish is a fish. Nice one. Little shoaly. Heck yeah. Buddy. You saw that? You saw that? That was freaking huge, bro. Oh my God. Got him. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I seen him like coming out, hitting it, coming out, hitting it. Finally, you came out and hit it, man. That was crazy, bro. That just happened, Hill. No way, let's go. Beautiful shoaly. Beautiful shoaly. Let's get you back in the water, buddy. Let's go. Let's freaking go. That's a toad, bro. Beautiful fish. Nice colors on him. Beautiful guy. Got him right out of this pocket. I was literally throwing my mag draft out there. This guy came up and smoked it. So let's get him back in. Went under that rock. Huh. Oh, there he goes. It's crazy. That was crazy. That was an insane bite. Bro, he hit that crap so hard. That is crazy, dude. Nice little guy. Freaking smoked the mag draft. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Me and Heel are exhausted. We just got done fishing. And guys, we started off fishing shallow, fishing shoals that we thought would have fish, the deeper shoals. But we finding more of our fish towards the end of the waterfalls and stuff. We were finding a lot deeper holes. A lot of our fish were coming from there. And we smoked them. We smoked them. I mean, my thumb is pretty, it feels like sandpaper right now. But yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please drop a like. It doesn't take long. Just go down there, drop a like. Plus, drop a comment what your favorite lure is to throw for bass. Also, we're trying to hit 500 subs, so y'all keep hitting that subscribe button and stay tuned for more action. And as always, keep it mullet lifestyle. We'll see y'all in the next one.